today I'll be sharing one of my favorite face packs with you all for the first time. And if you like it, do let me know. I'll be sharing much more in the future. So, I soaked about 8 almonds overnight and I took some milk and some rice flour and some saffron. Now, these are the ingredients that are easily available at our homes, so you do not have to fret over gathering things for making the simple face pack. So, first, I'll be actually grinding the almonds along with some milk, make it into a smooth paste. So, here it is. Our mixture, it is a bit on coarser side, but it's okay. Now we'll be adding some rice flour along with it. You can even add gram flour if you want. I'm adding rice flour. Both will do fine. So this is saffron. I took few strands of saffron. We usually keep it at our homes for making desserts, right? So you can find a lot of uses with saffron too on skin. It's an excellent ingredient uh, that can be used over for our skincare regime. So I'm dissolving the saffron strands. Now you can add it to the mixture we have already, prepared the almond mixture. Here it is. So mix it all together and we'll get this lovely face pack. Now almonds as well as milk together, they give a lovely glow to our skin. It's been under use for many years, so we all know that. Instead of buying all those, expensive creams and sheet masks or whatsoever, you can happily prepare it at home itself. You do not have to, run for ingredients. These are all anyway available at our home. These are not something we bought just for preparing our face packs. This is something we usually have at homes, so you can happily prepare it and it will do wonders to your skin. This goes really well with most of the, skins. So unless you are having oily skin, you can happily use this because milk doesn't go along well with oily skin, but combination and dry skins can happily use it. Anyway, you can add just badam paste as well as saffron and apply it on your face with rice flour. You need not add milk. You can add rose water instead of milk here. So in that way, even dry skin people can also happily use this pack. So now, if you have any spots on your face, like any black spots, dark spots on your face, you can add lemon juice to it. So lemon juice should be avoided by people who feel it stings when they apply on your face. Other than that, if you're okay with it, do use it because lemon juice also helps us a lot. It actually cleanses our face as well as gives it a glow. So yes, if you're comfortable using it, do give it a try. Okay, bye.